Today, we're adding some energy to our edits with the falling and bouncing transition. This effect makes one clip fall and bounce into the next, giving a playful, dynamic look. Let's get started. First, import two clips into your timeline and place them back to back. Now, head over to the effects library and navigate to video transitions. In the search bar, type fall and bounce. Once you find it, drag and drop the transition right between your two clips. By default, the effect is applied instantly, but you can customize it further. Click on the transition in the timeline, then drag its edges to increase or decrease the duration for a slower or faster bounce effect. For a smoother and more polished look, enable the motion blur option in the inspector panel. This will add a natural blur to the movement, making the transition feel more seamless. And that's it. A simple yet effective transition that adds movement and energy to your edits. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tips.